Welcome to Tikiliper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix high CPU usage in Windows 10 laptop or desktop computers. Now, at first, just right click on Start and go to Device Manager. From here, go inside System Devices and try to search for High Precision Event Timer. Right click on it and click on Disable Device. And after it has been disabled, just close this. And the next step, what you want to do is just go ahead and search for Edit Power Plan. Then just click on Edit Power Plan from the best options. Then click on Change Advanced Power Settings. From here, if you're selected to balance, make sure to choose High Performance. Click on Apply, click on OK. Make sure you have changed your power plan to High Performance. The last step you need to do is right click on your taskbar and click on Task Manager. Then from here, just go to Startup Apps and basically right click and disable all the startup apps that are not required. And that's basically it. Then just go ahead and restart your PC and your problem should be fixed. And that is basically how to fix 100% CPU usage on your Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.